Hello everyone, good evening. How are you all? So, how's Seed Rakhi going? Challenge going on with everyone? Please show us some excitement. Is anyone awake with me at this hour? I mean, for me, it's not even 10, but still. Come on. Is anyone joining me? I'm going to show you all how to make cardamom peels seed rakhi today live. Hi Nikita, I'm so happy to see you yaar. Do you want to join me in this live? I can see the option to invite you. So Nikita actually sent me a photo. Her little one made a rakhi today. He just used clay, but I'm so happy that they saw this video that I posted last time and they made it. I'm so happy. Thank you so much for sharing, Nikita. Just what you can do is probably put a seed inside that if it's if it's a non-toxic clay. Yeah, you can just collect a seed from your kitchen waste, and then that can be put in the plants. Just make sure that you read the instructions behind the box, and if it's just normal Play-Doh, I don't think it should harm the plants because it's safe for our children. Then it should be definitely safe for the plants. It's what I feel. We just double check it. And who else is with us? Yeah, 3 people. I'm so happy, yeah. Guys, okay, so without really wasting any time of yours, let me start with Eco Seed Rakhi using elaichi ka peels, okay? So the idea behind this is basically during Raksha Bandhan, we make a lot of sweets, and even now, so since Shravan has started, many of us are making lots of sweets. 2 minutes thamba paya. So my son is very excited and he wants to just push the seed inside the rakhi. And yes, so we tend to have lots of elaichi peels with us, and we either put them in tea powder or rather throw it away or something. So let's make something good with this and make our rakhis naturally fragrant. So let me start with that. Yes. Okay, so like you guys can see, my little one has already started making something. Yeah, my little one. Okay, so for this we need one plastic sheet. So since we have been collecting these for making plastic bags taught to us by Meenal Verma, our darling Meenal Verma. So we'll be using this as I've been collecting, and we also have some elaichi ka seeds. So I wanted to share this, that with elaichi ka seeds you can actually grow nice plants, like you can actually grow elaichi in your own house in this hot and humid climate. So it's very suitable. Okay, and we have elaichi ka peels. Okay, so these are collected like from 3-4 elaichis which we just opened. And yes, I'm using my paper mache clay which I shared the tutorial. So this is leftover, so I'll be using this. And yes, what you can do is you can add some food color to this or some haldi or something, so it becomes natural. You get this natural color in this. So in that video I had shown how it became blue color because I had just added blue food color. So let me just bring a little kumkum or something, you know, just probably turmeric. Let's make it yellow. I really love this color. And you need a scissor, and I've used this nada. ये पैंट वगैरह फट जाती है, उसके बाद में जो बचता है तो I just kept it, you know, I just don't throw away anything. So I'll be using this to tie the rakhi and it will look pretty is what I feel. And besides that, my son wanted a star shaped rakhi, so I'm using this star shape cookie cutter. Okay, so that's about it. Just give me a second and I'll bring little turmeric. Okay. Alright, so I just got turmeric quickly, and yeah, so I'll be just adding little turmeric in this dabba, and we have to just mix this clay how much ever we require. Okay, how much ever we require for making our seed rakhi. So that's like very little, and as I had shown in the tutorial, this clay is really versatile. I mean, you can just roll and make thin strips and stuff, so it's very easy. And I just stored it in fridge, not in freezer, in the refrigerator since past 2 days, and it's really nice, good to go. And I have used just wheat flour in this, so everything that I'm using here, nothing is purchased from outside. So it's that easy and that quick to go. Okay, so yeah, I'll just add some bit more of haldi. ते छान दिसतं ना, असं कलरफुल मस्त वाटतं नाही का. ग्रे कलर पण छान दिसतो, पण आपले पीएच असे ग्रीनिश कलरचे आहेत ना, मग त्याच्यावरती हे छान वाटेल असं मला वाटतं. कोण हां, माझ्या ब्रदरसाठी आहे बाळा. माझा ब्रदर कुठे आहे सांग बरं. इंडियात. या बिकॉज आपले घर इंडियात आहे बाळा. Alright, so I just added a bit of haldi in this. You can add any other color you want. You can add food color you want, or just probably paint on this with some non-toxic paints if you want. So that something that will not harm our plants. You can definitely go ahead and use it. Okay, thank you. Okay, so like we started yeah baby, chan. So like we started that day, we'll just press this and just make it thick enough as a rakhi. We are not going to have a very thin one because we're going to push the seeds also, and this thing is an air dry clay. You don't need to bake it or anything. It just becomes like rock. I mean, let me show you. So yeah, I made this one last time. Okay, it's like minion turned into something else. But like you see, can you hear this? So it's that good, it's that solid, and it's very light in weight. And yeah, so these are all the properties of paper mache. You can use it for like any number of projects. So just follow the tutorial and go ahead. Okay, so I'll be using this star shape cutter and तू कर छान करा, कट करा, प्रेस करा छानपैकी. हां, व्यवस्थित प्रेस कर. ओके, व्हेरी नाईस. खालीच ठेव, खाली ठेव, आम्हा काढेल ते. हां, ओके. सो दिस इज कट and yeah, छान, very nice बाळा. हो, स्मेल येतं छान. You can actually add some essential oil also in this if you want to make it much more fragrant or anything. So in this I'll be just quickly pushing some elaichi ka peels. They can't see you, darling. The camera is not facing towards you. Okay, so yeah, I'll be just pushing these seeds, this peels here. बबी बस झालं. Thank you. ते बंद करा. बरं, छान. Okay. What we have to just take care of while making the paper mache clay rakhi is, don't lift the rakhi unless and until it gets super dry, otherwise they tend to break very easily. So like now it just got a bit lifted, and then so yeah, just take care of this thing. Okay, Chani, very nice. काय म्हणतो? हां चालेल, नाही देत. हां तोच रॉकस्टार आहे म्हणून. So yeah, while I'm doing something like this, my little one keeps on asking me, why am I doing this? Why am I doing that? I'm sure all the little ones ask so many questions. कारण ते आपल्याकडे बघतायत, आपण जे करतोय त्याकडे बघतायत ते, म्हणून. So yeah, this looks sort of like a flower, so it's not going deep down. Okay, so I just want to commit here. I confess, actually I'm just trying my hands on this. So yeah, so I'm learning with you guys, so I always tell this to everyone, that I learn with time. I learn when I am trying something. So yeah, this is how I learn and this is how I grow. It's that organic. So nothing is perfect. The art is never perfect or anything. It's just perfect in its own sense. Okay, and we can simply improvise as we move along. Okay, so I'm just trying to give additional support here, or a bit of thickness. छान आहे, छान स्मेल येतं. हां, okay. Alright, so this is good, and most important step, we have to push in the seeds. Looks pretty, right? Very simple and pretty. So yeah, so before I started, I actually should have laid this, and let me do this. Okay. So while we are lifting, we have to just make sure that we lift it this way, so accidentally if we have gone wrong, can always correct ourselves, there's no problem. Okay, so I'll be just cutting this nada, so how much ever length is required, so this much.
का तो ब्रदर साठी बनवलं?
रक्षाबंधन आहे म्हणून.
का रक्षाबंधन?
And yeah, I'll be just.
मला राखी घालून दे.
तुला घालून देऊ राजा.
आज रक्षाबंधन म्हणून.
बरं, आज नाही आहे, थर्डला आहे.
मॉर्निंगला
करूया हां आपण सगळ्यांशी बोलतोय की नाही ते झाल्यावर करूया. ओके ना. अजून काहीतरी बनवूया. ओके. हे बघ स्टार कसं आपलं तुटतं की नाही हे हलवताना आम्हा विसरली. काहीतरी लावायचं होतं, रोप लावायचं होतं, आम्हा विसरून गेली होती. आता आम्हाला थोडंसं नीट करायचं त्याला. ओके ओके म्हणा. असं करतो बाळा. काय टाकतोस तू? असं करतोस कर. काय हे? नको बस तेवढं. हळद खूप घातली बाळा त्याच्यात. नाही त्याला मिक्स कर ते नीट व्हायचं. ओके ओके. So the elaichi peels were not really going in, so I just used a bit of clay to bind them and then push it. So yeah, while we make we learn, while we learn we make.
हे सगळं काढून दे.
बबकली सगळा पसारा करतोस तू. छान. आता थोडं बरं वाटतंय.
ही गाडी हे बघ हे कुठलं.
But so this is almost ready.
Thank you.
It will take some time, like a day's time to actually get dried up. We can just add a bit more of elaichi here. Elaichi seeds. We normally make sure that you put at least 3 seeds. So that if not the first one, at least the second one, if not the second one, at least the third one, germinates. So just try and put 3 seeds here. And you can just take some water and just blend nicely. बाळा पाणी सांडतं राजा. So once this is dried, what I'll be doing is for some touch up I'll just put some paints here, and yeah, it's good to go. All right, so yeah, elaichi seed ka peels ka rakhi is ready. It was a learning experience for me also, so I just decided to go live today without really preparing or practicing it firsthand. So this was a new experience for me too. While making with you all, I learned where I have to make the changes and all. So I hope you all like this, and we had a very interesting conversation between me and my son. So hi, Hi Nikita, hi Divya. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you Divya. Yes, he's very cute. Yes, thank you so much for joining, girls. And I just hope you all join in this.
चुनी गाड़ी बनाओ.
हाँ मी करते हैं, मी नंतर बनवून देते पक्का. So I just hope you all participate actively in this challenge and try your hands on Trash to Treasure, and let's make this festival a special one in T2T way. Yeah, love you all. Good night. Bye. Happy T2 Day. So guys, actually when I made this seed rakhi with paper mache in the last part you saw, I saw that there were cracks because this paper mache was made 2 days before, and it was kept in fridge, so it went on drying. So here I have just added a spoonful and a bit more of this homemade glue which we made with atta, and you can see my son trying to knead it and mix it. So that's what you have to do. If your paper mache clay gets a bit dried, then please add a bit more of this homemade glue, and then you're good to go, and you will see how wonderfully it will hold shape like we saw in our previous video. You can check it definitely, and I'll put the link of paper mache clay rakhi in this description. And yes, I hope to see you all making this one, and happy Raksha Bandhan, happy T2T. Love you all.